Okay, students, so just now we have discussed that in that singing competition, Malti has performed her melodious and beautiful song with her well trained voice. And Rima and her gang had decided to disturb the Malti, but they did not dare to do this because they were sure to get caught as the whole audience during Malti's performance was quiet, and so this gang was not dare to do this. They were sure if they will do this, they will definitely get caught. Okay. When Malti finished, the principal was the first one to start clapping, followed by the teachers and students. When Malti has finished her song, the school principal was the first one who clapped for Malti. The principal first one to start clapping, and it was followed by teachers and students. Means here Malti has performed very good song, and that's why it was appreciated by school principal by clapping. And after principal remaining, that the students and the teachers also appreciated Malti by clapping. Okay, in this way Malti has presented very strong performance with a melodious voice. Okay. No one was surprised when Malti won the first prize. Rima did come first in her category. Somehow she felt no joy. Look at here, as Malti has performed that much strong performance. So when Malti has declared the first winner, declared that she won the first prize, no one has become surprised because she is suitable for that. Got it, everyone? Because she performed that much strong performance. Okay, and so no one has surprised for that. And Rima also come first into her category in English song competition, singing competition. But somehow she felt no joy. Here Rima also got the first prize, but after that the first prize Rima did not feel joy. She felt no joy. Why so? Why she did not feel joy? What is the reason behind that? Look at here. No one was sorry. As the term progress, it was abundantly clear to all that Malti was a bright child. She was a quiet, studious, and intelligent. Okay, look at your students. Just now we have discussed that in the end of the competition, international singing competition, both Malti and Rima both got the first prize. But after that much type of the achievement, Rima did not feel joy because she did not like that Malti also won the first prize. Got it? And because of that, though she got the first prize, she did not that feel joy. Okay, because she always that there is always in her mind that negative attitude towards Malti, and so she become jealous for the Malti's success into that competition. Okay, and so after her own achievement also she did not feel joy, feel happiness. Okay. As the term progressed, it was abundantly clear to all that Malti was a bright child. Okay, now first term is finished, now second term is started, and as term is progress in at that time, that everyone is come to know that Malti was a bright child. Okay, though her outer look is dull, though her dressing sense is not good, though she was not good in English, but Malti was a bright child in the class. She was quiet, studious, and intelligent. Okay, the Malti was quiet girl of the class. She was a studious girl. She was very good in study in every subject and intelligent also. She fared well in sports as well as in studies. Means here she was an all-rounder girl. Not only in studies, she was very well in sports also. Her forte was mathematics. Okay, her forte was mathematics. Means here she has the command on mathematics. What is it doing? She has command on mathematics, and her simple appearance belied a sharp and nimble brain. What is it doing? Her simple appearance belied a sharp and nimble brain. Look at here. Though though her appearance, though her physical appearance is very simple, okay, but this simple appearance that fail to give that the impression about her sharp and nimble brain. Got it? Means by observing her outer look, no one will come to know that how clever and the sharp girl she is. Okay, so her simple physical appearance failed to give the true impression about Malti, that Malti is a sharp girl with a nimble brain. Okay, sharp girl with a nimble brain. Got it, everyone? Now look at here. Slowly, many of girls began seeking her help in mathematics. First of all, when she has taken the admission in the class, when at that time most of the girls are not ready to make the friendship with her. But as they come to know that Malti is a very bright student, very good in English, very good in maths, at that time, everyone, most of the girls that want her help in mathematics, and so they made the friendship with Malti, help which she readily and cheerfully gave. And Malti, as she is a very good girl with a good heart, she is always ready to give help. She is always ready to help others in a cheerfully manner. Okay? In a cheerfully manner, she always helps to everyone in maths. The teachers had liked the respectful, intelligent girl from the beginning, isn't it? Means here, though classmates are not accepted her earlier, but teacher liked her from the beginning as she is intelligent and respectful girl of the class. Now girls from the class also befriended her. Not only the teachers, just now I told you that other girls also now befriended her. Okay, means they make the friendship with Malti because of her intelligence, because of her command on the maths. Now look at here, as Malti entered at first in the class, at that time everyone has make the judgment about the Malti that maybe she is a very dull girl by her physical appearance. Okay, but as the term progress, everyone come to know that Malti is a very intelligent and bright student and also all-rounder. She is very good in studies and also sports, and she has a command on maths. So earlier those the girls are not ready to make the friendship with her. Now they are try to make the friendship with her. And Malti, as she is a very respectful and intelligent girl, always ready to help others in a cheerful manner. And so teachers like this intelligent and respectful student in the class. Got it, everyone? Teachers like these intelligent and respectful students in their class. In this way, day by day, Malti won the everyone's heart not by her physical appearance but by her talent, by her intelligence, isn't it? Now also her physical appearance, her that the outer look is a very dull. She has not changed her outer look. She has not changed her physical appearance. Okay, but as she is a very good and talented girl, she won the that heart of the everyone by that thing only, by her talent and by her intelligence. Got it everyone? So students, it is necessary that you should make the progress in your talent, in your intelligence, in your good in your good behavior, instead of that the changes in your outer look. Got it? Everyone should concentrate on that thing only, that how to develop the positive attitude, how to develop the knowledge. Okay, and how to that won the prize, won the heart of the others by good things only, by our talent only. Got it everyone? Understood everyone till that? Okay, just now we have discussed the two three paragraphs. Everyone has understood this one? Is it there? Okay. Now, so tell me the answer of the some questions then, on this part. What did Rima and her gang decide to do during the inter-house singing competition? What they decide? Yes, answer is in front of you in this paragraph, last paragraph. What did Rima and her gang decide to do during inter-house singing competition? What did they decide? Hmm? Yes, very good. Rima and her gang decided to jar when Malti sang. Okay, they decided to jar when Malti sang. Did they succeed? And why they did not succeed? Did they succeed in this? And why they did not succeed? Tell me students, did they succeed and why they did not succeed? Why they did not succeed? Yes? Hmm? Ha, very good. They did not succeed as there was such absolute silence that they did not dare to do so. They were sure to get caught if they did so. Got it everyone? As as there was such a absolute silence that they did not dare to do so, and there was such they were sure to get caught if they did so, and so they did not succeed. Got it everyone? Okay, now tell me, why did Rima feel no joy even though she came first in her category? What is your opinion for this? Why did Rima feel no joy even though she came first in her category? Yes, tell me, why did? Hmm? Yes. Hmm? Huh. Why? Because Rima felt no joy even though she came first in a category, as she was proved wrong, and maybe she even felt jealous of Malti. Okay, I already told you that she felt jealous to Malti, and she was proved wrong also because she thought that Malti must be a miserable singer, but exactly happened opposite. Malti sang a song with a melodious and beautiful voice, and she won that first prize also, and because of that the Seema did not feel joy even though she came, sorry, not a Seema, Rima did not feel joy even though she came first in her category. Got it everyone? Okay, then look at here. In this way, we have noticed that here Rima feel no joy though she came the first in her category. Okay, now How was Malti in studies? How was Malti in studies? Hmm? Huh? Yes. Malti was quiet, studious, and intelligent students, and she fared well in sports as well as in studies. Got it? And her command is on which subject? On which subject her command is? Yes. Very good. Her command is on mathematics. Got it, everyone? Her command is on mathematics. And so those girls are not ready to do, that make the friendship with her earlier. Now try to make friendship with Malti because of her knowledge, because of her intelligence, and because of her command on mathematics. Okay, so in this way, students, in this that lecture we have discussed that some part of this lesson, and through this we come to know that Rima and Malti, how Rima that always dislike the Malti, okay, but Rima proved wrong because Malti was a intelligent, quiet, and all-rounder girl, and she won the heart of the classmates also and teachers also by her talent, by her intelligence, and by her that the command in mathematics, and as she was a all-rounder girl. Okay, that part we have discussed in today's lecture. Students, those part we have discussed today, read this part, and from these passages you should prepare your own questions and write own answers. In this way you should do the self study on finished part. We will continue the next part in next period. Thank you so much.